English learners, welcome back to the English Master Channel, your cozy place to learn English through real conversations and upgrade your life at the same time. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadullah. You know, Sarah, I was thinking about something this morning.
Ooh, I love when you start with I was thinking. What is it?
I was thinking about all those years I spent learning new words.
How many years are we talking?
Too many. I had notebooks full of words, flashcards, apps. I was obsessed.
Obsessed? Really?
Really? I thought, if I just know more words, I will speak like a native. You know that feeling?
Oh, I know that feeling. Every learner knows that feeling.
Right? So I learned, and then one day,
What happened one day?
someone asked me a simple question. What's your opinion about something? And my brain? Empty. Nothing.
Oh no, even with all those words?
Even with all those words. They were in my head somewhere, but I couldn't find them. Like a messy room where you know you have something, but you can't see it.
That is the perfect description, a messy room.
So today we are talking about that. You don't need more vocabulary, you need this.
This title makes me curious every time. What is the this? What do we actually need?
We are going to answer that right now. But first,
Just a small request. If you want to finally stop collecting words and start using them, hit that like button, subscribe to the English Master Channel, and share this with a friend who has 10 notebooks full of words they never use.
That friend is me. Was me.
And in the comments, we have a challenge. Finish this sentence. I have learned many words, but I still struggle with...
Maybe you struggle with speaking fast, or remembering words in conversations, or confidence. Be honest. This is your space.
We read everything, and your answers help us make better episodes.
Okay, so let's start with a question. Sarah, imagine you have a library.
Okay, I love libraries.
A beautiful library, thousands of books. But there is no system, no organization. Books everywhere.
Chaos.
Chaos, yes. Now, someone comes in and says, I need a book about elephants. Can you find it quickly?
With no system? No order? Probably not. It would take hours.
exactly. And that is your brain with vocabulary. You have the words, you collected them, but there is no system to find them fast.
Oh, so the problem is not how many words I have. The problem is how I store them and find them.
Yes, that's it. That's the whole episode in one sentence.
Wow, so today is about building the system?
Exactly. Building the system, creating fast access, so when someone asks you a question, the word is right there, not hiding somewhere in the back.
Okay, so what is the system? What do we need to do?
Number 1, you need to stop organizing words by translation.
Explain.
Most learners learn words like this. Apple equals their language word for apple. Happy equals their language word for happy. So in your brain, every English word is tied to your native language.
And that's bad because...
Because when you want to say apple in English, your brain does this. I see an apple, I think my native language word, I translate to English, I speak.
That's 4 steps.
4 steps, and steps take time. In a conversation, you don't have time for 4 steps.
So what's the solution?
Connect English words directly to images, feelings, experiences, not to your language.
How do I do that?
When you learn a new word, don't write the translation. Draw a picture, or think of a moment when you felt that word, or use it in a sentence about your life.
Oh, so apple should connect to the red fruit I eat, not to my language word.
Yes, direct connection. 1 step, not 4.
That makes so much sense. Let's practice that word. You can repeat. Connect directly.
Connect directly.
Slowly. Connect directly.
Good. Number 2? Number 2, you need to practice retrieval, not just review.
Retrieval. That word is important. Let's understand it.
Retrieval means pulling information out of your brain. When you look at a word and its meaning, that's review. When you close the book and try to remember, that's retrieval.
So, review is easy, retrieval is hard.
Exactly. And hard is good. Hard builds strong connections.
So, instead of reading my word list again and again, I should test myself?
Yes, cover the meaning. Try to remember. If you can't, then look. But try first. That struggle, that's where the magic happens.
Struggle is magic. I need to remember that. You can repeat. Retrieval.
Retrieval.
Re-tree-val.
Number 3. You need to use words in real contexts immediately.
Immediately?
Within 24 hours. If you learn a new word today, you must use it today. In a sentence, in a conversation, in a message to someone.
What if I don't have anyone to talk to?
Then write it. Write a sentence about your life. Today, I feel exhausted because I slept badly. Use the word. Own the word.
So the word becomes mine when I use it. You can repeat. Real context.
Real context.
Real context. Slowly context.
Yes. Before you use it, it's just information. After you use it, it's part of you.
Beautiful. Number 4?
Number 4, you need to embrace the 80-20 rule.
Ooh, I love rules with numbers. What is this?
20% of your words are used 80% of the time. The most common words, the simple words.
Like go, do, make, have, good, bad?
Yes, master those. Know them deeply. Know all their uses, because those words will carry you through most conversations.
So I don't need fancy words. I need deep knowledge of simple words. You can repeat. Master the basics.
Master the basics.
Slowly master the basics.
Yes, that is fluency. Not knowing many words, knowing the important words very well.
Number 5, last one.
Number 5, you need to stop caring about forgetting.
Stop caring? That's hard.
I know, but think about it. You will forget words. Everyone forgets words, even native speakers.
Really? Native speakers forget words?
All the time. We say, oh, what's that word? The thing, I forget. It's normal.
That actually makes me feel better. You can repeat. Forgetting is normal.
Forgetting is normal.
Forgetting is normal. Step by step, forgetting is normal.
Good. Because when you stop panicking about forgetting, your brain relaxes. And when your brain relaxes, words come easier.
So forgetting is not failure, it's just human.
Exactly. Forgetting means you're normal. Just review, practice retrieval, and the word will come back.
Okay, let's review the 5 things quickly.
Number 1, connect words directly to images and feelings, not translation.
Number 2, practice retrieval, not just review.
Number 3, use new words within 24 hours.
Number 4, master the 20% of words you use 80% of the time.
Number 5, stop caring about forgetting. It's normal.
5 things, not more vocabulary. These 5 things.
Now it's time for our word tour. We will go slowly, listen, repeat, and think about your own life while you learn these phrases.
Yes, take your time. This is your moment to practice. Word tour. First phrase is access.
Access means the ability to get or use something when you need it.
For example, I have the words in my brain, but I don't have fast access to them.
Another example, speaking every day helps me build faster access to vocabulary.
You can repeat. Access.
Access.
Access. Slowly, access.
Good. Next phrase is retrieval.
Retrieval means the process of getting information back from your memory.
For example, testing yourself is good for retrieval. It makes your memory stronger.
Another example, retrieval is harder than review, but it works better.
You can repeat. Retrieval.
retrieval.
Retrieval, step by step. Re-tree-vol.
Next phrase is connect directly.
Connect directly means to link something straight to another thing without anything in between.
For example, connect the word apple directly to the red fruit, not to your language.
Another example. When you connect directly, your brain becomes faster.
You can repeat, connect directly.
Connect directly.
Connect directly. Slowly, connect directly.
Next phrase is real context.
Real context means a real situation, not a textbook example. Real life.
For example, learn words in real context, like in movies or conversations, not just lists.
Another example, using a word in real context helps you remember it forever.
You can repeat real context.
Real context.
Step by step, context.
Next phrase is master the basics.
Master the basics means to learn the most important, simple things very well.
For example, don't worry about big words yet. First, master the basics.
Another example, she mastered the basics and now she can talk about anything.
You can repeat, master the basics.
Master the basics.
Slowly, master the basics.
Next phrase is forgetting is normal.
Forgetting is normal means it's natural to forget things and you shouldn't panic.
For example, I forgot that word again, but it's okay. Forgetting is normal.
Another example. Remember, forgetting is normal. Just review and move on.
You can repeat, forgetting is normal.
Forgetting is normal.
Forgetting is normal, step by step. For-get-ing is normal.
Next phrase is build the system.
Build the system means to create a way of doing things that works for you.
For example, don't just collect words, build the system to find them fast.
Another example, my system is simple. I use new words 3 times on the first day.
You can repeat, build the system.
Build the system.
Build the system. Slowly, build the system.
Next phrase is fast access.
Fast access means being able to find or use something quickly.
For example, I want fast access to words when I'm in a conversation.
Another example, practice gives you fast access. Every time you speak, you get faster.
You can repeat, fast access.
Fast access.
Fast access, step by step. Fast access.
Next phrase is simple words, deep knowledge.
Simple words, deep knowledge means knowing common words very well in many ways.
For example, I don't need fancy vocabulary. Simple words, deep knowledge is enough.
Another example, fluent speakers have simple words, deep knowledge. They use get in 50 different ways.
You can repeat, simple words, deep knowledge.
Simple words, deep knowledge.
Simple words, deep knowledge. Slowly, simple words, deep knowledge.
Last phrase is use it or lose it.
Use it or lose it means if you don't practice something, you will forget it.
For example, I learned 50 words last month, but I forgot them. Use it or lose it.
Another example, review every week. Use it or lose it, that's the rule.
You can repeat, use it or lose it.
Use it or lose it.
Use it or lose it. Step by step. Use it or lose it.
Beautiful. 10 phrases to help you think differently about vocabulary.
So remember, you don't need more vocabulary.
You need access. You need retrieval. You need to use what you already have.
The words are in your brain. They are hiding. Your job is to find them again and again until they come quickly.
And when they come quickly, you feel confident. You feel free.
So here's our challenge for you. In the comments, finish this sentence. One word I know but can't access quickly is...
Maybe it's a simple word. Maybe it's a word you use in your language all the time. Write it down. Claim it.
And then this week, practice retrieval with that word. Use it 5 times. Make it yours.
We will read your comments. We will cheer for you.
This is Asadullah.
And this is Sarah.
And you have been listening to the English Master Channel.
Take care of your English, take care of yourself, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Until next time.